Okay, Facebook. First recording. It's me. It is. First recording. Got a Mustang 2003. No start. You put the key in. It won't make a noise. I just put new parts on a new motor. Well, not a completely new motor, a newer motor with less miles on it. Replaced the wiring harness. Put a new fuel pump on it. At first, the car wasn't making any noise, meaning you could not hear the fuel pump present any pressure to the motor. You could not hear it. Now you can. Let's try to let you guys hear it. Now you can. I don't think you guys heard it, but I heard it pretty good. Now you can hear the noise, but you do not have any start, any crank, anything. And guys, this car is infested with ants. I don't think you can catch them. Now they pretty much slid. But I mean infested with ants, man. And they just everywhere. So it's really making this job a little harder. But let me give you guys a big head start on me. I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off, trying to come up with an idea of what could be the problem. Like why wouldn't first off this go into gear? So I mean I can't put this in reverse drive, nothing. I can't do anything with it. And it was presenting itself to be a problem. So before I went to my starter and got on all the ground again, go through all the process, because I just put the motor in, so I just put the starter back in. So I should have tested before I put it back in if I wanted to go through them steps. But come down here and look at what I found. Now this whole switch is supposed to be connected by that hot wire and that negative wire. What this is your neutral. What is this switch called again? On the brake, is on the transmission. Your neutral some switch. Let me get it together for y'all. But this is supposed to be connected. So without this connected, this right here will not send the information to the motor that the car is even first off getting power. Second off, and that's why you won't hear no room, you won't hear no noise, because it's not giving any signal to know that it's in power. And second off, to give it a signal to go ahead and do its data Ds. So this step versus testing the battery, because it's a brand new battery, or testing the electrical, because I had a problem with the electrical where the wires were corroded real bad, so you wouldn't even get you couldn't get no noise. So I just moved the wires a little bit and I got some noise, so I figured out the problem first off was in the wires, then come down to now the neutral, what do they call it? It's on the side of the transmission. Neutral safety switches. I forget what it is, guys, but I'm mechanically inclined, so I can just get to the bottom of it. But I'm gonna tune you guys in a free second. I really can let you guys check out how I'm gonna get it done. But like I said, it's ants everywhere, guys. So I'm really trying to not get ate up today. You know, I was as a kid ate up by ants. I can't say I'm terrified, but I'm cautious of those buggers. So before I even got to the job, I just knew I was gonna need these. So the battery is still connected. I don't mind it right now because I'm gonna disconnect this whole plug. I'm going to disconnect. Somebody tried to override it, look like, because they just had the power cord connected to it. They didn't have this connected to it. It just had some good power on it. Now, I'm wondering now. Come on now. Yeah, we don't need you no more, son. We don't need you at all. We don't need you at all, sir. What's crazy, yo? I wonder the people that sold this car, did they know this? You won't believe how much the man paid for the car. $300. That's all? $300, that's all? And got me over here to do the work. And then want to talk cheap about it. But, long story short, guys. That's $300 for this move. Come on, man. Type of fight you got into, nigga. You ain't want my fault. Fella, you don't want to come on. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna I'm gonna give me another switch, another plug, connect my plug to where they supposed to go. I can connect it like this and crank it on up, but I want it to go smooth as possible. So I'm gonna now go and get this here plug. I'm gonna get this bad boy and go from there. So yes, let me get my material together. I just came up with the conclusion. It's the first video, so I didn't speed through it like those other guys did. How they'll show you the problem, get straight to the problem, have the pieces right beside it and get it done. It was about the third good day I had to come and look at the car. Cause like I said, from far as the motor, I wanted to check, make sure the wiring was done. From the wire, I wanted to check, make sure we had power. From the power, I want to make sure we had gas. From the gas, that's when I left myself puzzled, because from the power and gas, it's too early to get oxygen and was way too early to get combustion. So in order to get those, we need some type of electric. So I really just, sit down to my man for a second, guys, and just came up with an idea, and I was just gonna check all the electrical from the power to start the car. So anything that had anything to do with starting the car, that is what I researched. And far as this car, it ain't too many things that start the car. They made it pretty much easy. The wiring harness is a snap on and snap off. So guys, the early age Mustangs, 2003, I want to say about 2006 or something like that. Those are pretty fun and easy cars to work on. Fun and easy, man. But again, you guys, it's the first video. I can't wait to crank this bad boy up and do some donuts. And again, man, just put that on there. I'm about to put this mirror on her today and go for a spin. About to go find this plug, hit the junkyard up, find this plug, and we ready to rock and roll.